Hey guys, so as promised I'm back with the DIY video because you guys really loved the last video, and in case you're new or you have missed that video, then I'll write the link in the description box below. And for today's video I've tried to convert two very basic simple t-shirts into the sexy little top which you would love to flaunt. At least I loved it. And in case you do too, then make sure you hit the like button and also do subscribe to my channel because I post video on every single Tuesday. And without wasting any time, let's start today's video. For the first t-shirt, I have marked till which length I want a cut, and then I have folded the t-shirt into half and then marked the edge so that once you open you have the center till which you want a cut. Now from the center of a neck, take a distance of 1.5 inch on both the side and mark it. And then you have to draw a straight line from there to join the center which you have already marked. Make sure that the line is straight, otherwise it won't look good. Do it on both the sides. And then you have to cut along the lines and also at the neck, but make sure you are not cutting the edge of the neck. Just see how I have done it, and you're almost done. So now if you want, you can add a transparent or any other material if you're not very sure with the open back. I've worn a tube top inside, and if you're comfortable you can always keep it bare back. And this is the first look. Hope you like it. So for the second DIY, you have to cut along the edge of the neck but only till the center. Make sure you are cutting only the upper part and not the cloth beneath. And also the scissors should be sharp enough, otherwise it won't give a proper cut. Now for the back, you have to take a distance of 1 inch and cut the way I am doing it. Don't keep it very big. And to give the symmetry, I am cutting the sleeves on the other side. So at the end, this is how it looks. Hope you like it.